Pardon with crafts and beer! So, let's start by cutting out the desired form on the stone pieces that we create the arc over the gate. Two smaller stones and one bigger stone slab for the Dragonhead. I thought the small stone pieces lacked something. They just felt flat and boring. So I found me a C and a B in Dragonhead. After I broke the letters down, I cut them out and glued them on a piece of styrofoam. I'm carving out the pieces with an X-Acto knife. Be sure the knife is sharp when doing this, and don't start cutting before the glue is dry, or else the job will give you a necessary headache. Yep, like a glove. So the painting starts with making the piece more durable with a thin layer of Mod Podge. And as you can see, I forgot to film when I sculpted the head onto the slab. But the video how to sculpt the Dragonhead is linked in the upper right corner for you to see after this video. And as always, prime before painting. I began with mixing white, black and brown to get a warm grey to cover the most part of the piece. When that dried, I was given the stone some undercolors in brown, red and grey tones to make it more vibrant. This is all the different colors I used. I dry brushes in different tones and building it up with layer on layer. A few different ways to paint the sculpture crossed my thoughts. For a while I was thinking of green tones, like a huge rock that was sculpted out of a mountain with a heart of jade. I look forward to paint it in more than one way after I mold and cast it, sometime in the future. But as for now, I found that these red lines give the sculpture some drama to it. One can see it either as some sort of red war paint on the gargoyle, or that the stone one used could be a piece of gneiss with some red wings in it. I keep building it up in layers, like a painting in canvas. So most of you know when it comes to painting miniatures, rushing is something one just don't do. And that patience is a good thing to have a lot. Those lines sure took a hefty bite of my patience, but I am happy with the end result, and that is what's matter. I made the painting session in this video a bit longer than usual, because of the way I decided to paint it. More like a painting and with less predetermined steps. If you sit on any advice when it comes to painting miniatures or even sculpting, please do share in the comments. It's a long, interesting journey to walk with new things to learn more often than not. And we are all in different places on it. Some have come further, some have just started. But if it's anything most of us appreciate, I want to think, it's good feedback any day of the week. Some dry brushing to tone down the red before I give it a good wash, with an even mix of black and brown. Water it down so it don't get too dark. Brushing it up again with a dry brush, few different tones of grey, and then end with a few touches of white to make it pop. I hope you enjoyed the video half as much as I feel relieved and satisfied with finally finish one of my first sculptings. Now it's ready to mold and cast, but that will be another video. And now, remember to check out how to sculpt a Dragonhead. And as always, be it on and craft.